90% off sale on select items. Trying to show you guys. I'm headed there, about to pull in right now and go see what I can find. I hear they have like weighted blankets that are $59 to $99 for like 10 bucks. Cute little fleece blankets are like $1.99, 5 bucks, stuff like that. So I'm pulling up and I'm gonna run in, see if we can find anything good for 90% off. I think a lot of the items are summer items too, and like 4th of July, stuff like that. I don't know. I'm gonna go in, scan some stuff, see what I can find, and I'll show y'all. My phone died. It's very rare that my phone dies, and I think my cord was not charging, so I wasn't able to show you guys the for sale table that I found. I didn't find all the stuff that I went in there looking for that I found the other girl on YouTube find, but I did find some of the things she found. So I picked up these. I think I got 3 of these tumbler cups. They had one with a flamingo, but I was getting them for my boys to use, so I didn't want to get them like nothing too pink. This one was cute, so I had to grab it, but it does have a red lid and straw at least. So this one says tropical vibes only, and these two say I need vitamin C. Really cute. They are 24 ounce. Oh, they're color changing. Oh my gosh, I would have gotten all of them had I known that. But they're color changing tumblers. The regular price was $3.99. I got these for 40 cents, y'all. 40 cents, and they're color changing. How fun. And the last thing I got was this one. It's black with stars, and it has this type of top, like you could put like a little carabiner or something maybe through there. This one is 24.6 ounce. It was regular $7, and the for sale price was $1.73. Not bad, right? Not bad. So I ended up just getting those 4 cups. And then I had a 40% off coupon. I needed some eyeliner, so I picked up this Wet n Wild Blackest is what I was going to say. Breakup proof 16-hour liner. It was on the display. I was showing some of the new Halloween Wet n Wild stuff they had on the display, and some polish and stuff, and this was on that display. It was regular $3.49, and with my coupon I got it for $2.05. But so cool that these change colors. Okay, I just tried to see if it would change colors. I tried cold water and hot water, and it didn't do anything. I don't know, maybe it has to sit a few minutes and then it'll start to change colors. I'll see and I'll let y'all know. But yeah, so that's what I found. CVS. If you guys run out, try to see if your CVS has a clearance table, or, you know, just scan different items. That's what I was doing, picking up different items and just scanning them to see what was on sale. So yeah, not bad for 40 cents and $1.73. And I found this cute cup. It's obviously from the 4th of July. It was regular $3. This one is from Family Dollar though. Family Dollar, it was $3, and I got it for I think 75 cents or $1. And I like that it has the little glitter stars in it. They all fall down to the bottom too, and you can shake them up and stuff. But yeah, pretty cute. So nice little haul on some cups there.